help reduce power consumption of the lithium-ion battery for heating or cooling the vehicle, the climate control timer will preheat or pre-cool the vehicle while it is connected to the charger. The climate control timers can be set to a specific time for each day of the week or set to run only on specific days. To set the climate control timer, press the menu button, touch the info key on the launch bar, EV, climate control timer, then this key to edit the timer schedule. The current schedule for the timer will be displayed. From this screen, set a departure time and choose the days to activate the system. Then touch here. Use these keys to adjust the cabin temperature. Touch here to enable or disable the climate control timer. The climate control timer will only start when the power switch is in the off position. With an active Nissan Connect Services account, you can remotely set and start climate control when your vehicle has a cellular connection. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.